Story 10. Unexpected Incident and Family Unity Story. 2023 Terengganu. SPM 1119 Trial Exam Question. 250 words essay. Question 5. Your teacher has asked you to write a story for a school magazine. The story must begin with the following words. Now, each time I remember what happened that day, I feel. Your story must include an unexpected incident that happened to you. How the incident made you realize the importance of family unity. Write your story. Notice: accuracy of Malay and Mandarin translation is not guaranteed. Essay is written by Mr. Sritharan A, L. Arumugam. B. Ed. TESL, Honours Degree Universiti Putra, Malaysia. CEFR C2 Qualification. Certified English Teacher. Email: srihero@gmail.com. YouTube channel, Melakaexplorer. Please click like, subscribe and share all my essay videos with all your friends and family, but let them watch it on YouTube. Please give generous donation to my CIMB Bank Berhad account, Malaysia. 7027996813 under my name. Thank you. Unexpected Incident and Family Unity Story. Now, each time I remember what happened that day, I feel a deep sense of appreciation for the enduring unity of my family. It was a seemingly ordinary day in Malaysia when I embarked on a solo exploration of the enchanting Cameron Highlands. The allure of the sprawling tea plantations and the lush greenery was irresistible. However, adventure quickly turned to misadventure. Fascinated by the exotic flora, I strayed off the beaten path, unwittingly losing my way back. Panic set in as the dense foliage seemed to close around me. I was lost, with no signal on my phone and the vast wilderness my only companion. After hours of futile attempts to retrace my steps, as the sun began to set, a familiar sound pierced through the forest's whispers. My name, called out in the deep, reassuring voice of my father. Accompanied by my uncle, they had formed a search party after learning about my disappearance. Their knowledge of the local terrain and unyielding determination led them to me. Their arrival was a profound moment of relief and revelation. I realized that family unity was not just a cultural value but a living force. In my moment of vulnerability, they had come to my rescue without a second thought, driven by familial love and solidarity. Back home, amidst the relief and gentle admonishments, I reflected on the day's events. The incident was a stark reminder of the strength and importance of family bonds. In a world where individual pursuits often distance us, it's the unspoken promise of support and unity within a family that provides true security and belonging. This experience, etched in my memory, continually reminds me of the invaluable treasure that is family.